Hi, Monica here, still in Berlin, Germany. It's late morning now. Today, I'm going to bring you for a walking tour again. And this time, we are visiting Olympia Stadium at Olympia Park. We have just come out from Olympia Stadium Underground Station, or U-Bahn. And we definitely will walk through this path under the bridge. I'm still familiar with this place because we have been in here a year ago, and this stadium was built in 1930s. It held a summer Olympic game in 1936, if I'm not wrong. And now this stadium is part of Olympiapark Berlin. Guys, we also need to pass by a park with stretches of trees at both sides. It probably takes about 10 minutes to walk until we can see the stadium from far. Here is the big square outside the stadium. I can say that Olympia Park is one of the hidden gems in Berlin. I love visiting park or garden wherever I travel to. I like finding places with many trees to relax my eyes and to experience some quietness during my vacation in a city. So, from here, you can already view that awesome structure. It really looks like an ancient Roman stadium. And it reminds me of Colosseum in Rome. What do you think? It looks simple but strong. It was built from stones. I have a sense as if I'm not visiting a stadium when I came here. I don't know. It gives me a feeling of visiting a historic structure left after the war. Look at those thick walls and tall big pillars. This stadium is surrounded by trees. This is the nearest residential area around the stadium. I'm bringing you guys walk around it and making a circle from the left of the building, and later we'll walk one round and get to the same place as we were first there just now. And this road leads to the entrance of the stadium that I assume as the front side. Let's walk over to the opposite building. This building looks like some kind of management office of the stadium. Guys, perhaps we have to walk for a minimum of 1 hour 10 minutes for one round with medium speed. This field is seemed to be used for horse race. It is such a quiet place to have a walk in here. It is also a very good place for cycling. Let me bring you across over the street. Let's cross back again. And now we already get to the right wing of the stadium, and it is under renovation. And this place is used for concerts. And this is another field. It is also used for the horse race competition. Sometimes I'm confused with the rules of the COVID-19 restrictions. We see people gathering here with no masks and no distance, but they are allowed to do it with no time limit, and it is illegal. But some groups which applied for legal gathering in open air, they have to wear masks with distance and time of gathering. I did question it to one of the officers in Germany. Wow! What is this? So many cars!
Ich habe es einfach so satt. Was stimmt nicht mit euch? In Frankreich stehen sie auf den Straßen, in Italien, in Griechenland. Europa steht auf der Straße, während Deutschland auf dem Sofa sitzt und verfault. Ich kann es nicht mehr fassen.
Are you going live?
Bringt mir Propaganda-Einheit
We walk back to the U-Bahn to take underground train to Alexanderplatz. So if you are interested to visit this place, please spare around 2 hours just for walking around. But if you think of entering the stadium, I'm afraid 2 hours is not enough. I think there is entrance ticket needed to go into the stadium too. We are at Alexanderplatz now, and this is Alexanderplatz Square. It is always crowded in here. Street music, art, public gatherings are oftenly conducted in here. You can enjoy street singers or dancers performing every day in here. Many young people love to hanging out in here too. time for dinner. Reiner is going for popular food in Germany, currywurst. It's usually topped with ketchup. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed touring with me. And if you do, please hit subscribe and turn on the small bell below the video so that you'll not miss my next episode. See you again.